Shall we start now? Right. So 31 onwards, arithmetic questions till 40. Come on, start from 41 onwards. Squaring on both sides. Right hand side 121. Plus 13 goes to right hand side. Minus 13. 3 into x square is this much. Then x square is equal to divided by 3. So numerator 108 by 3. This is 36. Which number square is 36? Fourth option answer. 60%. Can we write it as 6 by 10? Into 320 by x goes to right hand side and right hand side number 384 comes to left hand side denominator. Difference between numerator and denominator 320 and 384. 64 exactly 5 times here and denominator 6 times. 6 gets cancelled. 5 by 10 0.5. Okay? Come on. 1 by 10, 9 by 10. First numbers inside bracket we must complete according to Bodmer's rule. 1 by 10, 9 by 10. 1. Already integer 11 is there. Plus 1, 12. 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 12. 4. Answer. 6, 3 is 18. Number inside bracket. 200, 300. 34 plus 45. 0.79, 0.25, that gives you 1. So 35 plus 45, 80. So 580 by 4. Half and half of the number? Half is 290. Again half, 145. 1 by 3 whole cube. Come on. To the power of 2 by 3. That means 1 by 3 whole square only. 1 by 3 whole square in the sense 1 by 9. Divided by 1 by 40 can be written as into 40 into 18. 9 how many times? 42 is 80. Minus 4 goes to right hand side. Becomes plus 4. 11 plus 4, 15. 345 by x is equal to 15. X is equal to 345 by 15. 15. 2 times. There is only one option which starts with 2. First final answer. Keep x square in left hand side as it is. Right hand side 17 square. 289. Sum of these two numbers 225. Then result is equal to x square is 64. Which number square is 64? 8. Second option. 3 1 by 6. That we can write it as 19 by 6 minus 5 1 by 3. 16 by 3. Divided by 32 by 7 can be written as into 7 by 32 only. 16 exactly 2 times. Denominators are same. How much is that? 6. When that is taken common, 19 minus 7 which is equal to 12. 12 by 6. Next. 20% of 13. 10% is 1.3, double 2.6. Goes to right hand side which is equal to 5.4. 5.4 is what percentage? 60%. We need to calculate original number. 1% is by 60. 100% into 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 10 and decimal gets cancelled. 6, 9 times is our answer. Third option. Under root 576, 24. 24, 8 times. 20 into 8, 160. 4 into 8, 32. Total, 192. When we add both 192 and 151, that gives us 343 only. This is which number cube? 7 cube. Minus x is there. Take that to right hand side. And right hand side number 1 comes to left hand side. That becomes minus 1. Okay. Now minus 1 minus 1.15, that is 2.85 only. 3 minus 2, 1. 885 minus 850, that is equal to 0, 3, 5. Agreed? Yes. This is over, and 1 is also over. Next. 1.885 minus 1.335, that is equal to 0.550. So far positive number is 1.585 and leftover number is minus 1.350. Before decimal there is no number, and now it is 235. 0.235 is our answer, which is equal to, should be fifth option. Yes, fifth option is our answer. 240%, 80%. So you can take 80% common. Come on. 3 times of 165. 495. So the first number we can write it as 80% of 495 minus 80% of 275. Is it clear? Take 80% common, which is equal to 4 by 5 into 495 minus 275. 220, right? 5, 44 times 44 fours, 176. Over. Next. Minus 3014 goes to right hand side. It becomes plus 3014. Am I right? Which is equal to 3072 is equal to x square by 16 into 12. Then x square is equal to divided by 12 into 16, which is equal to x square only. 12 2 times 67, 5 times 72, 6. X square is equal to 256 into 16. 256 is which number square? 16 is which number square? Then x square is equal to 16 square into 4 square. X is equal to 16 into 4, that is equal to, pillalu matladali, 64. Right. So keep x value in right hand side. Take this fellow to left hand side. That becomes minus only. Number after decimal, how much is there? 1. And then minus 5 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 8 in the sense answer must end with point. How many are there? Only one. Second final. Right. So these two comes in numerator. Continuous division comes in denominator. So in numerator, 1 digit after decimal, 1 digit after decimal. Total 2. Denominator 1 digit after decimal, 2 digits after decimal. Am I right? So total in denominator 3. So I'll write like this: 43 into 1225 and then one more 0 divided by 35 into 7. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now denominator, look at the values. Is it 5 multiple? Denominator, is it 5 square multiple? Is it 5 cube multiple? No, obviously no. 5 square avukte 5 cube avadu kada. Am I right? Numerator 12,250. Is it 5 multiple? Is it 5 square multiple? Is it 5 cube multiple? I am talking about last digits now. If it is 5 multiple, last digit must be either 5 or 0. If it is 5 square multiple, last digit must be 25, 50, 75 or 2 zeros. Agreed? If it is 5 cube multiple, 125. 125 2 times, 250. 125 3 times, 375. Next 500. Next 625, 750, 875. 3 zeros. I am just adding 125, 125, 125. Come on. Right. So if your last 3 digits are 125 multiples, last 3 digits are 125 multiple, then it is a 5 cube multiple. Agreed? Right. So now tell me again, I am coming again. Is your numerator 5 multiple? 5 square multiple? 5 cube multiple? In numerator you have 5 cube multiple, denominator only 5 multiple, then answer must be 5 square multiple. 5 square multiple in the sense 25 multiple only. How many options are there? Fourth option final. Over. Otherwise you can do something. You write it as 43 into 1225, keep 10 separately, divided by 35 into 7. Agreed or not? Here you have 5 multiple. That can be cancelled with 5 multiple in 1225. Yes? In denominator, do you have any 5 more multiples? At least even number? Then this 10 will be there as it is, right? You cannot change that 10. So that means answer should have, how many are there? Over. Got it? Yes. Number series and then 61 onwards. Yes, table. So this is data regarding number of applications received for 5 different positions in an organization X during 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Number of applications received for position B on Tuesday. B on Tuesday is what percent more than position E on Monday? E on Monday 75. 117 is how much more than 75? That is 42 more with respect to 75 percentage into 100. Correct? 25 3 times 4 times 3 14 times. Come on. 14 4 times. 56, fourth option final. What is the difference between total number of applications received for positions B, C together on Wednesday? B, C together on Wednesday 128 and position D, E on Thursday. D, E on Thursday 162. Answer must end with 4 only. How many are there? Only one. 34 final. What is the respective ratio between total number of applications received for position D on Monday, Tuesday together? D on Monday and Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. That is equal to 126 by that received by position for position B on Thursday, Friday. B Thursday and Friday 234. Okay, right. 9 14 times 9 2 times and then 6 times. Again cancellation with 2 7 times 13 times. 7 by 13, 7 is to 13, third option. Average number of applications received for position A on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. 120, 40, 160. 160 plus 3, 190. 6 plus 1 plus 1, 198 by 3. 6 again 6. Third option. 25% of total number of applications received for position CD together on Friday were incomplete. What is the total number of complete applications received for position CD together on Friday? Yes. So multiple options are there. We have to calculate. CD on Friday. CD on Friday. Sum of both the numbers, that is equal to 164. 25% are incomplete. Then complete are 75% only. Half plus half of the number. Half is 82. Again half. Sum 123. 123, second option answer. Clear? Matladali. The average weight of 44 students of a class was 52.5. Already, how many people are there? 44. After 6 new students joined the class, its average weight increased by 1.5. So wait a minute now. Initial average is 52.5, correct? Equality concept. Everybody 52.5. 6 new people joined. If those 6 new people average is also 52.5, which is equal to initial average, after 6 new students joined, will there be any change in the average? Average will be same. But what happened now? After these 6 people joined, average increased. That means average of 6 new students is more than 52.5 or less than 52.5? Definitely more, plus. Okay. Average increased by how much? 1.5. Is it before adding or after adding? Initially how many people are there? To that how many added? That means total how many are there now? For all these 50 people, average increased by 1.5 only. The sum increases by 50 into 1.5. Am I right? Average increase is 1.5. Sum increase is 50 students into 1.5. Can we directly add this number to average? This must be converted to average only. This increment happened because of 6 people. Now we want to calculate average for 6 people. That is divided by 6. Is it clear? 10 and decimal gets cancelled, so 1.5 becomes 15. 3, 2 times. 3, 5 times. 5 into 5. Matladali. By 2, 12.5. 52.5 plus 12.5. 65 final average for these 6 new people. Is this clear? A train 205 meters long traveling at 99 km per hour can cross the platform in 26 seconds. If a man can cross the same platform in 5 minutes, what is the speed of the man? First of all, we need to know platform length, correct? If a train crosses platform, distance covered is train length plus platform length. As you don't know, let it be x. This is distance covered in that case, which must be speed into time. Traveled with the speed 99 km per hour, convert into meter per second, 5 by 18, and took the time 26. 9, 2 times, 9, 11 times, 2, 13 times. 11 into 13, 143. Come on. 143 5 times. Take 10 times and make it half. 1430, half of that. 715. Then x is equal to minus 205, which is equal to 510. Then speed of the man is distance covered 510 meters. In how much time? 5 minutes. Minutes converts to hours. 5 into 60, 300. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 how many times? 17 times. Divided by 10. Answer 1.7. Next. Jar A contains XML of milk and water in the respective ratio 5:3. Milk and water 5:3. How many parts? 8 parts we have. 5 parts and then 3 parts separately. Correct? Total 8 parts. And jar B contains XML. So same quantity only. And in that milk and water in the respective ratio 7:1. How many parts? Previous also? So total condition also equal. Okay, right. 8 parts, same XML. Which is added to jar A. So that means jar A and jar B both are added only. So finally we will have 12 parts of milk and 4 parts of water in container. Am I right? Okay. If the resultant quantity of water in the jar A is 48 ml, how much quantity of water we have? 4 parts is equal to, and what is your question? What is the value of? X is equal to how many parts? X is equal to how many parts? 8 parts in the sense 2 times of 4 parts only. That means that is equal to 96 only. First option, final answer. Over. The percentage of Roy is 2 times of Bezos' percentage. So at present, Roy and Bezos' ages ratio 2:1. That is 2 parts and then 1 part. Agreed? Next, 10 years hence, their average will be 34. After 10 years, if average is 34, present average must be 10 less than that only. That is 24 only. Then sum must be 48 only. Sum is 3 parts, which is equal to 48. 1 part is equal to 16. 2 parts is equal to 32. Is it clear? What was Roy's age 7 years ago? Present age of Roy? 32. 7 years back, minus 7. That is 25. Second option. ఇందులో లాజిక్ ఏంటంటేనమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ యావరేజ్ 20 ఉందనుకోండి, 5 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారనుకుందాం, ఎంతమంది అయినా పర్వాలా ఫ్యామిలీలో, 4 members, 5 members, whatever, whoever it is. If present average is 20, average next year in the sense from this year to next year, first percentage increases by how many? Second person, third person, for any human being, whoever number of persons are there, if their present average is 20, next year for everybody's age increased by 1, average also increases by 1, then it becomes 20. Present average after 5 years, 5 years back. Yes. So with that logic we are solving. After 10 years, average will be, after 10 years, average will be 34. To get present age, how many years we have to subtract? So average also decreases by, then that becomes 20. Average is 24, then sum becomes? Yes, that is what we are saying. Okay, now the breadth of the rectangular field is 25% less than the length of the same field. The total cost of fencing the field is, at the rate of 5 rupees per meter, was 210. So what was the area used for fencing in the sense? 210 divided by price per meter, which is equal to 5, that is equal to 42 only. For what we will use fencing? Perimeter or area? That means 2 times of L plus B is equal to 42. L plus B is equal to 21. Breadth of the rectangular field is 25% less than the same field. That means length and breadth are 100% and 75%, which we can treat it as 4 parts and then 3 parts, correct? Sum is L plus B is equal to 21, 7 parts is equal to 21, then 4 parts is equal to 12, 3 parts is equal to 9. Area in the sense product of these two, that is equal to 108. Is it clear? Pillalu matladali. The ratio between x plus 11 and y is 7:9 respectively. If 117 is 225% more than y, what is the value of x? You don't have to do any nonsense here. You need to calculate x value. You know that x plus 11 is equal to 7 parts. That means 7 multiple only. When you add 11, it becomes, matladali, is 29 7 multiple? When you add 11, it becomes, is 47 multiple? When you add 11, it becomes, is it 7 multiple? This may be your answer, hold it. When you add 11, it becomes, is it 7 multiple? When you add 11, it becomes 38. Is it 7 multiple? Only one option is favor, third option final. Done. Interest of 3630. Okay. See, idantha chudandi. Let me directly go to question. Let me read what exactly you are asked to calculate. What will be the interest earned? Interest only. When the same sum, okay, principal same, invested at the rate of r minus 3, we don't know r value, but at the rate of r minus 3 per annum, simple interest for 3 years in the sense that will be 3 multiple only. It may be any stupid principal and what rate of interest we don't care. For 3 years in the sense it has to be, is your first option 3 multiple? No. Second option? No. Third option? That may be your answer, hold it. Fourth option? Fifth option? Third final answer. We did not even read the question. సార్ అన్నారు ఎవరు? ఎనీ డౌట్? ఓకే. The distance traveled upstream by the boat in 5 years is 40 kilometers less than the distance traveled by downstream by the same boat in same time. What is the speed of the current? Now, for 5 years, 5 hours, sorry. For 5 hours difference is mentioned. Okay na? Deni distance amma? Upstream and downstream. Okay. Same time kada? If the time is constant, distance and speed both are directly proportional only. Am I right? Okay. So, downstream speed and upstream speed for 1 hour, when you take difference, what do you get? Me pade downstream minus upstream, how much is that? 2s. Yes, deniki 2s ka nenu tittindanika. Difference between downstream and upstream is equal to 2s, right? Sum of downstream and upstream matladali 2m. So per hour for 5 hours difference is 40 kilometers. Per hour in the sense 40 by 5 only. How much is 40 by 5? That means 2s is equal to 8 kilometer per hour only. From this, s is equal to 4 km per hour. Stream speed is equal to 4 km per hour. Done. Difference between downstream and upstream is 2s. That's a simple point. So in this question, apart from speed of the current, if you are asked to calculate man speed or downstream speed or upstream speed, answer cannot be determined. We can calculate only stream speed because of the condition. You are given only difference between downstream and upstream, which is equal to 2s. That's all. This is the only point we know. Hence, we are able to calculate stream speed, but we cannot calculate man speed, downstream speed or upstream speed. Is this okay? Next, 39. The height of the triangle is equal to the perimeter of the square, whose diagonal is 6 root 2. Diagonal of the square, a root 2, is equal to 6 root 2. Root 2 cancel. A is equal to. The height of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square, that is 24, which is equal to height of the triangle. Okay na? Next, base of the triangle is equal to the side of the square, whose area is 676. 676 is which number square? 26. Then base is equal to 26 only. What is the area of the triangle? Triangle area, half base into height. This fellow how many times? 12 times. 26 into 12. Answer should end with 312. Final answer. Last digit verification. A alone can finish a piece of work in 36 days. B is 80% more efficient than A. So if A efficiency is 100%, B efficiency becomes 80% more, that is 180. C is 25% more efficient than A. 25% of what? 180. 25% of 180. Half. 90. Again half. 45 more. 45 more than 180. 225%. These are efficiencies. In how many days AC working together can finish the same piece of work? Okay. According to the first information, A can complete the work in A efficiency. With this efficiency, A need 36 days. Now this is total work. This must be done by both A and C. When both A and C work together, they work with 325% efficiency. Am I right? 25 how many times? 4 times. 25 how many times? In 100 how many 25s will be there? 300s? 12. Apart from 300, one more 25 is there. 12 plus 1, 4 times of 36. Double double. 36 double. 72 double. 144 by 13 10 times 130. Apart from 130, how much more we have in the numerator? 14. 11 times అవుతుంది అప్పుడు 11 13s 143. Crazy number. 1 by 13. 11 1 by 13. Is it clear?